Greetings, River Lady here, and I thought I would do a video about what an overwatered hydrangea looks like. But I'm starting this video by showing you my hydrangeas that are in pretty good shape. I am holding the camera today because I don't want to trip over the tripod. Oh, I can't speak. I fell the other day and hit my head, so I'm dealing with a mild concussion. Anyway, I get asked constantly, how do you know if you've overwatered a hydrangea? Let me show you what an overwatered hydrangea looks like. We are going to come back here, and as I'm walking, it's gone down considerably, but we had some flooding. When Tropical Storm Elsa came through, she dumped about 12 inches of rain on the Concord River, and you can see the ducks in my neighbor's yard. They are enjoying the marshy conditions. Yes, the Concord River flooded, and she came into my yard. She didn't come all the way across the yard. She came as far as this retaining edge. Right here, you can see it's still sitting in water. Right along the retaining wall, right at the base of the retaining wall is still wet. And you can see my daisy bush that is dying. Doesn't like to sit in water for 2 weeks. But here, and I'm very sad about it, is my Nantucket blue. So this is what an overwatered hydrangea looks like. It's not the same kind of look that a hydrangea gets when it's been dry and you need to water it. Now, how can you tell if this is just sun wilt or if this is overwatering? Let's get in close. One of the first things you want to look at are the leaves. If you're dealing with an overwatered condition, your leaves are going to get this rust tinge to them, which is a fungus. Chances are this hydrangea is battling root rot right now because at the base it's still wet. The river is very high and it's a little bit above the dirt line, so it's keeping the dirt very wet. There's not much I can do to save her, and chances are she's not going to make it. And I know in the grand scheme of things, losing a few plants is not a big deal, but it still saddens me. All right. So that pretty much wraps this video up. This is River Lady saying happy gardening, and bye.